Pregnant or planning? Get holistic support with 9 and Beyond, your trusted pregnancy companion.
Throughout the pregnancy, I used to read affirmations and I used to tell myself things like that I am made to do this, because our DNA actually has the power. We as women have been birthing since ages. So
Right.
all of that information is stored in my DNA. So it means that my body already knows it. If from an egg एंड अ स्पर्म, आपने कुछ नहीं किया, एक एग और स्पर्म से अगर वो इतना बड़ा बच्चा पैदा कर दे रहा है अपने आप,
Right.
इतना बड़ा हो गया है वो, तो फॉर श्योर इट हैज कैपेसिटी टू पुश इट आउट.
Yeah.
And that's how our ancestors used to give birth. It's a very basic, simple fact. So trust your body. And I used to tell myself, like, here affirmations. I recorded affirmations that I have all of the divine Shakti to give birth naturally, and things like that. But I reached a point where I was like, I can't do this, why? And I have been breathing for 6-7 hours or whatever. So my husband came to me and he started repeating those affirmations. I was like, I don't think this is working. He's like, it will work. Remember, you are at that tipping point where you feel that you will not be able to do this. And I was like, yeah, but this feeling is like really too strong. But that goes back because nature is very smart. It is actually slowing down your surges, I call, जिसको pain बोलते हैं. I use this word surges, that your body is sending you waves of pain or contraction. क्योंकि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि one more thing is लेबर में आप कोई 8 घंटा पेन में नहीं रहते. Exactly. ये लोग नहीं समझते हैं. It keeps coming like surges, so you have this 10 second ka something or 1 minute ka pain, and it drops down and it comes back. It's like a game, and if you keep breathing with it, if you keep moving with it, it is an easy feat, I would say. I don't want to take hate from people who have had painful labors, but I would say that agar aap saans, which is your body's innate Shakti, if you start using that as your tool, the game changes. So I had this tipping point where I thought I can't do that, but my body was resting, and then suddenly I felt this rush of hormones back, and I knew that. And then there's this crowning of the head that happens. You can sense that the baby is down exactly in the end of the birth canal, and this is the point. You give it all and use gravity. एक तो टीवी में दिखाते हैं कि बेड पे लेट के ऐसे नहीं होता. use gravity is so simple. You stand, or you squat or do different positions, whatever is comfortable. To be very honest, I was just kind of, by the end of it, lying in my husband's arm, and my midwife was down my legs, and somehow my daughter came out. It was interesting because the whole sac was coming out. It was bigger than the baby. But yeah, understand stages of labor and understand what happens to your hormones, and that will make the journey much more easier. And understand the power of breath. अगर आपने अपना breath practice किया, you can easily.
Like today I'm listening to you and I'm thinking, I hope in the prenatal classes, doctors do explain this part, that you will reach the tipping point, which is your resting phase actually.
Yes.
So if you can manage to remind yourself at that stage, or your partner reminds you, this is the tipping point.
Yes.
It'll happen. Somebody repeating that to you. And then it's basically, and then you, like you said, it's a very hormonal thing that you will suddenly feel that surge.
Yes.
And it'll finally happen.
Yes.
I think I'm hearing this for the first time myself. I've had both cesarean, and I'm like, okay, if this is the process, so well explained, that's where childbirth education is. I'm glad we have spoken about this question today.
It is slowly coming. I feel everywhere people are learning. It's not that people are not educating themselves. They understand that it is such a pivotal thing happening in their life. But I think the surge of more.
See, it's how we put it.
Yes.
And how we explain it. We may have the technical knowledge about something.
Sure.
But I think again वही बात है, जो आपकी wisdom इसमें जो insight डाल रही है, और जिस तरीके से explain कर रही है, you have simplified it.
Yeah.
Right?
Just treat your birth as a ceremony. जैसे आप शादी के लिए तैयार होते हैं या कहीं जाने के लिए तैयार. So I remember few key things for my birth. I had dim lights. You can request if you're birthing in a natural center. There are a lot of natural birthing centers across in India. There's one in few I know of. There, I'm sure there must be more. Every city I think now is opening up natural birth centers. Or you can request for dim light क्योंकि बच्चा घर में अंधकार में रहता है. It's all dark, you know, and it is a very intimate thing, you know. So think that you're going to a spa would be an exact easy. Have relaxing music, have diffuser, essential oils, have your candles lit. अगर candle allowed नहीं है तो buy those battery pack candles, you know. Keep if you are in God, keep your Bhagwan ji there, you know. आपको गुलाब पसंद है, then have, you know, flowers there. Anything that gives you joy. Remember I told you that oxytocin rush ho raha hai. Nature is very intelligent. It will make you happy, you know, and it slows the labor down for a reason, that your body needs to rest. So if you understand what is happening to your body, it is something, it's not difficult. I remember, I'll add this personal anecdote. I remember that I gave birth in my uh, living room, and by the end of it there were 3 midwives. Somehow, God's grace or whatever, there was a team of 3 midwives by the end of it. Why? Just because they were supposed to be there. किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं था दो. And I remember that my husband was making tea and the midwives were chatting, and it felt like this
Party.
yeah, like कोई empowerment movement का success हो गया. They were so happy, and for a moment, like I could see them in the kitchen, and I'm lying down and my baby's on me, and then I thought कि okay, हो गया, बहुत ऐसे पूरा बॉडी का एनर्जी निकल गया. I'm thinking, and then I'm thinking एक बार हो गया तो फिर से हो जाएगा. And I'm like, oh my God, I just gave birth and I'm thinking I can do it again, because you can do it again.